Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious salad dressing using DoenJang. And DoenJang is your Korean soybean paste that has been aged for at least 1 year. So today's recipe is like a miso salad dressing recipe, but using Korean soybean paste. And in my opinion, DoenJang is the bomb. It's the bomb. 오늘의 레시피, 된장으로 아주 맛있는 샐러드 드레싱 소스 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean ingredient product links that you could order online. We need half a tablespoon of DoenJang, half tablespoon of all-purpose Korean soy sauce, 양조간장, 1 tablespoon of 현미식초. This is Korean brown rice vinegar, but you could also use any white vinegar as well. Half tablespoon of brown sugar, half tablespoon of finely minced red onions, or you could use shallots too. 1 tablespoon of finely minced green onions, scallions, just the green part only. And some freshly ground black pepper, about 1/8 teaspoon. Then I want you to go in and mix everything up so that it looks like this. Then we need 1 tablespoon of your finest extra virgin olive oil. And using a whisk, we're just gonna slowly add this to our dressing. And we're also going to add half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 참기름. So whisk for another 30 seconds so everything's blended really nicely with the oils. It smells it's so tangy and delicious. But let's have a quick taste test. The tanginess is perfect, and then there's so many delicious flavors, and then the doenjang taste is just so subtle but so yummy. Now for me, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt because I like it a little bit, a little bit saltier, so that mixed in with all the vegetables it tastes delicious. Yes, you could store this in an airtight container and keep it in the fridge and eat it within 7 days. Now, if you can't get to a Korean market, you could order Korean ingredients for today's recipe at amazon.com/shop/modernpepper, and I will see you there. And here is my salad platter. So here in the center is my rotisserie chicken from Costco and some shredded cabbage. The yellow center core part is the sweetest. Some cherry tomatoes, romaine lettuce, cucumbers, shredded red cabbage, carrots, and some more shredded romaine lettuce, and some red onion slices. And we're just gonna pour our salad dressing on top, like that. I mean, look at this. Isn't this a pretty platter? It's so pretty, you kind of don't want to go in there and mix it all up, but it must be done. So we got to go in and mix everything up. And the only thing that I might add after tossing everything together is just a little bit of sesame seeds on top, like that. And there we have it. Now, time to eat our salad. So I'm gonna serve myself a little bit here. And because we made the salad dressing with doenjang, I'm gonna use chopsticks, okay? Some of our chicken and all the vegetables together. I love a good salad, 아주 개운하고 참 맛있습니다. It tastes so refreshing. The salad dressing is like perfectly salty but not too salty, and then all the delicious flavors from our doenjang and sesame oil and soy sauce, and it's so good. Can't stop eating. And then with the chicken, just takes it to another level, like so good. You have to make this at home and serve it at your next barbecue party, and people are gonna be like, what just happened? This is like the best salad ever. Now, if you want to check out more Korean fusion salad recipes, I actually have a romaine lettuce salad where I grill it and then I drizzle this delicious gochujang salad dressing on it. Finger looking good. So go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on the playlist tab and select Korean fusion recipe playlist, and I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these Korean recipes that you see right here.